A new journey begins beyond what is known, where learning and discovery come together. The path forward opens into new challenges that invite courage and curiosity. Progress continues along a long journey shaped by growth and understanding. A new chapter begins, filled with possibility and learning yet to unfold. Growth starts outside comfort, where effort and patience matter most. Strength builds through focus, resilience, and steady learning. Each moment forward adds confidence and prepares the way ahead. Learning becomes part of the journey, shaped by experience and reflection. Some words describe ideas, places, and moments that must be faced. Some words aren't just learned, they're survived. Learning continues as the next journey begins with Timo the Word Scout.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video.